Okay, so I am looking outside my balcony. It's a little frigid right now, but this is the view from Tracy Arm Fort, Alaska. So woke up to this morning from my balcony. Look at that amazing view. Breathtaking. I think we're going into Tracy Arm Fort, Alaska. So this is a view of the beautiful Tracy Arm Fort. As you see, is a shuttle taking them closer. Yes. Yeah. It doesn't feel too bad, but it's beautiful. I'm looking to see if I see some whales though. I ain't seen the whales yet. You can't tell nobody. So check out the skyline. Look at that. Take a picture with a polar bear. See him? So, we're trying to see if we can get down to that. Yes. See that? See that?
That's where I was at first.
Can you get there? Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. And the ice is blue. Amazing. Okay, so our ship is going to make it around that grassy area and go in between those mountains. So you can see the stream coming out of the waterfall. Look at that. Beautiful. So it's a boat creeping out of the mountain. I know. Look how we got through here. Look at that boat coming out of there. Yep. Look at that little boat coming up right for us. It's almost giving me yacht mobs. I know. Check out the little cruise ship. Hello. Hi. Yes. Look how close I am to the rocks. Look. Super close. Look at that. All around me. Look at that. Getting closer. So there's the boat that went by us. Way in the distance. I know. Look at that. Look at that view. The men, I guess that's the glacier. Can you see the glacier beyond there? Beautiful. Yeah, I think that's the little glacier tour. Do Tracy on Fort. Yeah, and they're like really packed on there.
Yes, they are. Yeah. They downstairs too. Look.
Yeah, there's a ton of them on that one.
Yeah, it's a lot.
You see the one with the whole bunch on there?
Oh yeah, that one. Thank you so much.
It's a lot. A lot of seals.
It's like 9 of them.
A lot of seals.
8 or 9 of them.
Crazy.
A low waterfall coming down. There's a blue glacier. Looks like it's glowing. This is the view from my balcony. Up close and personal.
Please do not take anything else from the lounge. Also, please do not take any other color paint. If I give everybody their favorite color paint, that's almost 40 of you. That's a very long break, that, and I have to run from here to other activities. So we're staying only with that.
What it looks like when I am done. I'll be able to again just Picasso board.
So, you can draw more than one wheel?
So this is the finished product. It's
My wheel look like I've been drinking.
my auntie's, hubby Charles,
Charlie looks like
and Lisa.
I was thinking
This key lime pie. I'll be trying to claw.
Spot that we went to before.
Yeah, let's see what the jungle is about. This is the kids. This is the kids thing. Let's see.
Yeah, remember that number? They had that little area.
Oh, okay.
Remember?
Yeah. And you're ready to enjoy an epic rock show. Okay, so it is about 20 minutes to 10, and as you can see, it is still bright out here. On the East Coast, it says 1:40 in the morning.
Yep.
But here it's 9:40, and the sun is not supposed to set until 11:09 p.m. tonight. Okay, it is 10:24 in Alaska, and as y'all can see, it is still more light out. The sun is finally about to go down right here. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.